Hi, I'm Dr. Sharon Grossman, a psychologist and coach helping high achievers go from burnout to optimal performance. Today, I want to share with you something that came up in a session yesterday with a client who was feeling really stressed about the coronavirus. This is obviously affecting everybody right now. It's creating a lot of panic in people, and for different reasons. Now, my client in particular stated that it wasn't so much the idea that maybe she would get sick that was creating this panic in her, but rather the idea that she might be quarantined and lack the choice of whether she can stay in her house or leave. That in and of itself made her feel really trapped, and she was really worried about that. Now, the company that she works for actually has asked everybody to go and work from home now. And so she's already at home. And so I asked her, well, what would be the worst case scenario if you were working at home and it was because you couldn't leave, because you were quarantined? And she took a moment to think about it and actually said, you know, it actually wouldn't be that bad because I'd get to work out on my stationary bike and I could watch movies with my husband. So in the end, she was able to see that if the worst case scenario isn't that bad, then she can really face anything else. And I invite you to really think about how to manage your stress by thinking about that worst case scenario and coming up with a plan. Oftentimes what we see is that it's not as bad as we sometimes imagine.